has performed, especially the Supreme Court, in shaping the jurisprudence of our country and interpreting our Constitution. And therefore, it was an opportunity to look at the successes, the challenges, what has been done correctly, and what perhaps needs to be relooked. It's in that context that I gave the views from where I sit, based on my legal background. I made the remark that I believe the Supreme Court of Kenya has done a fantastic job in interpreting the Constitution. For 12 years, what the Supreme Court of the Republic of Kenya has done is equivalent to what some Supreme Courts have done in 50 years. So we are very proud that our institutions are not only efficient, but they are on a trajectory of fast maturity. At that point, because it was a moment for introspection, I said, the jurisprudence that the court has given us about public interest is very refreshing and welcome. And then I remarked, going forward, as the Supreme Court consolidates its own jurisprudence and enhances it, perfects it, it is worth reflecting, even beyond public interest, when